How you doing, guys? It's Kevin here. Come home, just got home, and I seen this crazy looking bird in my yard. I wanted to see if you guys knew what he was. I don't know where he went. Here he is, right there. See if I can get him to go back down around. It's a crazy looking bird. Never seen one like it. Almost looks like a... Where'd he go? Here he is here. What is that thing? It's a crazy looking bird. I'm just kind of following him here. Now he's going underneath the truck or the trailer. See if I can shoo him out. Look down in here, see where he went. My battery's going dead. There he is there. Here he is. See if we can look at him now. Ran around the corner now. So I can get close enough to him. There he is. What kind of bird is that? He's cute, but I don't know what he is. See if I can get a little closer to him. I don't know if he can fly or he can't fly. I'm not sure. He seems like he might be a baby of some type. Let's get a better look at the front of him if I can. I'm just a few feet from him here, maybe 4. Anybody know what kind of bird he is? He's cute. He's telling me to get away from him, but I'm just curious what he is. He's probably a baby. Whatever he is, I'd say he's a baby. Look like a daggone, I don't know, I'd say it'd be a hawk, but I don't think. Alright, we're going to back off, leave him alone. If you guys know what he is, just let me know. If you have a clue, he's kind of looks like a hawk, but I don't think, not by the beak and the face, it just don't look right. But, anyhow, thought I'd share that with you guys. I found him. I'm going to leave him alone. He'll be okay out here. There ain't no dogs or anything here, so he should be fine. If it is a baby, maybe the adult will come back and get it. Well, anyhow, thanks for watching my little video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, to comment if you'd like. Until next time.